On tracking some active weather moving into mid-Missouri starting tonight as showers move in and eventually change over to snow heading into tomorrow morning. Likely going to see that precipitation overnight through about 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. After that, things clear out, but we'll be left with about a dusting to an inch of snowfall, possibly seeing wet and slushy roads for the morning commute. So plan to give yourself some extra time to get out and about. Here's what I'm tracking. That low pressure system moving in from the west, bringing some rain with it tonight. On the northern side, it's colder, so we're seeing snow showers from parts of eastern Colorado into Nebraska. That's all heading in our direction. So let's take a look at what it looks like at midnight tonight. Rain showers will continue to be off and on, temperature still in the 40s. As we get closer to daybreak, I'll be tracking that changeover from rain to snow, especially from areas back towards Paris, Sedalia, and points north as temperatures dip to near the freezing mark. As we get closer to 6 o'clock, areas north of I-70 and then west of Highway 65 dropping below 32 degrees. That's where we'll see that changeover from rain to snow, picking up some of that accumulation through about 10 o'clock. All of that starts to slide off to the southeast, and we are left with cold temperatures throughout the day. We'll remain right around freezing, but we're tracking drier conditions and road issues will be very limited getting into the evening commute. On Friday morning, it's going to be cold. Many of us will drop into the lower 20s, but the wind chill gets down even colder than that to start off the day, and clouds finally work their way up by afternoon, getting us back into the 30s with some sunshine to end our week. Into Saturday, it starts off chilly, but I'll be tracking a warmer weekend. But I want to show you the snow tracker first. This is going to show us what to expect through about noon tomorrow. Anywhere from around a dusting to an inch or so. The higher totals coming up near the Lake of the Ozarks, and that's where we'll see a little bit of more of that colder air trying to move in tomorrow morning. Overall, though, this is going to be slushy. We'll have to watch out for elevated surfaces, but other than that, I'm not tracking too many big issues on the roads throughout the morning. Just plan on it being a little slower to get around. By tomorrow night, temperatures will be dropping down into the 20s, but we're going to see that wind chill getting down into the teens, down to about 14 or 15 by Friday morning. The weekend, though, we get a nice little break from the colder air, back into the upper 40s on Saturday. Sunday, we get into the 50s, but I'll be tracking a chance for some rain as our next storm system moves in. That will likely continue into Monday with showers throughout the entire day. It starts off mild, though, close to 60 on Monday afternoon, staying warmer than average for next week, but we're in an active pattern, so that means we'll see another chance of some rain by Wednesday.